How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So if you want a refund on Temu and you don't want to return the thing that you have bought, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. But before, I'm going to guide you through the Temu refund process. So this is the Temu return process where you first have to log into your Temu account, then select an order and then click on return or refund. Then you have to select your return item and then you will get your refund. So this is the usual process on how you can get your refund. So this includes returning the product that you have received. Now, if you want to get a refund on Temu without returning, then for that, I'm going to show you something that you can do. But this only works on products which are of a lesser value, which means which cost less than $10. So if you have something which is less than $10, then only you can do this. So for that, when you get to process number 4, which is select your return items, then select the item which is of $10 or less. After this, you will have to upload a photo of your product. So you can do that, just upload a random photo, and after that you can follow the rest of the process and Temu will not ask you to return your product which is of $10 or less because of the postal charges. So as I said, this only works on the smaller value products which are really not worth returning or worth the postal charges. So these products you do not have to return, and that's how you can get a refund on Temu without returning. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.